My name is Savi Morales. I'm a machine assembly technician. I build small components that are integral to how the machine works. It's a lot of methodical work. I'm a perfectionist by nature, and I get to use those skills every day here. I started in shipping. I kind of got recognized by one of the managers. My crates were all squared, all the screws looked even, everything looked nice and pretty. It was that small attention to detail that got me noticed by one of the floor managers that made that approach to me about my interest in machine assembly. We all get to interact with each other, sharing knowledge. I'm able to be in my own area by myself, but at the same time, connected to everybody. Here, I was able to find a place where I'm comfortable. I know what my responsibilities are. I know what the expectations are. I can come here, do my work, and excel, and go home, and I like it.